If you want to unlink your Temu account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find linked accounts. Look for an option labeled linked accounts or account connections. This section will show you all the accounts connected to your Temu profile. Step 4. Select Facebook. In the linked accounts section, find the Facebook option. Tap on it to see the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Temu. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account. Once confirmed, your accounts will be disconnected. After completing these steps, your Temu account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.